Mother's Day is coming up and I have a wonderful craft idea for those who would like to give a Mother's Day gift or gift to someone who's a mother like figure in your life. Here's a glass I'm going to use here, and I'm going to use the transparent paper. Just as two things. Other materials, but the most main component of creating this craft is this glass and this transparent paper. So let's begin. Here we go. So let's Alright guys, so this is the glass that I'm going to be using. I showed you. I'm going to peel this off and put this strip right here, right? And then the same picture is going to go here on this glass. Makes a wonderful Mother's Day gift for someone. And the thing is, my mother went to sleep. This is very hard for me to do this. And this is my mother's. But, you know, just peel it off. This time, so make sure the glass is clean. Put it to wherever you want it to go. You could use sorry. Having a little technical difficulty, so you want to make sure it's, I think it's because of the angle of the glass. I'm messing it up, guys. You gotta be very careful. This is and honestly guys, it's my first time doing this. So we're doing this together. But I just want to smooth it out. Okay. But I thought it would be such a cool project. I'm gonna do another one, but I want to make sure. It's the angle of the glass. Oh yeah. I gotta do this again. So I'm gonna put the glass flat. Turn the camera for you guys. We'll start with him. It's the angle of the glass, so now I know I can't use this glass. See, it's the angle of the glass, which is making me so not happy. See this? It's not making it come out. So we're not going to use this glass again. Because now we're see that it's not coming out right. How I expected it. I use a different glass. So, okay. Alright guys, so I'm going to change the glass and use this one and see. So I'm going to peel off of this one and try and see. If not, that means it has to be a different glass. So again, this is my first time doing this project, and let's see how it's going to work. I should put the glass flat. See? Press. Oh, perfect. See? Perfect. This glass is perfect. So it depends on the angle of the glass. And this one was perfect. See? It's transparent so you can't see it, but I'm gonna take a picture so you can see it really clear. See? Beautiful. I don't know if it put in this glass, but I'm gonna try different. So now I'm gonna put the words I put that she used to say to our children, love you more. And that's gonna go right to the bottom here. You must hand it from the edge. Actually, I want to even it. So I'm gonna put it there. Use like a little cloth to press it down. So this is my first try with charm ever, but I'm going to try a different glass, maybe not clear, only because I don't like that. I can't really see the image of it. See, I can't. But so simple Mother's Day gift. Nice crafty idea. What you want to do for someone. All you need is transparent paper. This one is from Graphics. Transparent. Got them on Amazon online, so that's where you get them. And these glasses I got from the Dollar Tree. This one, I had so long I don't remember, but basically you could get glass and just put it right on. But I'm gonna try a different color glass and see, only because I want to see a little bit more. But this is beautiful, cute, and nothing to do with the item. You could little gifts, little things in here, maybe fun some other makeup or candy, and then you put it in the wrapping paper and put it all together. I'm gonna show you right now. Okay, so as I was saying, so if you want to, right, to make the glass image better for someone on Mother's Day, you could try and put makeup. This is my open already. Well, put brand new, but this is my makeup in the glass, right? And this bag I have from when I had did my daughter's birthday party. So I'm showing you. This is not the bag you use, but you put it in like this, and then you'll just, just doll it up, and it'll make a wonderful Mother's Day gift for that lovely mother in someone's life, a mother's figure, or just your own mother. So a quick DIY for you. Forgive my son making that noise in the background. But a quick DIY for you guys who want to show that special mother in their life how special you are by giving them this simple, cute DIY gift. Okay, so of course you don't have to use a bag. A clear, transparent paper will be fine, and it doesn't have to be makeup. It could be treats, candy, or anything you want to put in there. Or you could just get the glass by itself and still put it in transfer paper and give it to them. So, alright guys, till next time. Bye.